87 Miata. The customer brought it so we can bring it back to life because the car wasn't running and it needed a lot of little miscellaneous stuff. It's been sitting for years, since 2016. So anyways, he bought it from the previous owner, who actually did a good job on the setup. Let me show you. So from what I read on the specs, this is a 1.9 liter. Everything's brand new, forced internals, CVR 1000 coil packs. It's got a nice Garrett turbo in it. I don't know exactly the specs in it, but it spools up really quick and it makes really good power. So the car needed larger injectors. This was additional, but we added a Flexfuel sensor so you can run 91 and 85. Electronic boost controller. We needed to run the coolant lines for the heat exchanger too, which are these, to the heat exchanger core in the front. And we added a Q50 Q60 water pump that's controlled by the Vipec V88 ECU. We had to wire the ECU to the stock harness as well, so it's a plug and play now with an adapter harness. What else? So yeah, it runs really well. It made 290 horsepower at 14 pounds of boost on 91 and 342 horsepower on almost the same boost, 15-16 pounds on E60. So yeah, this thing is a monster. The spool up is really aggressive and really quick. It's got a 6-speed trans. We also added a fuel pump in the back of 450 for the extra push. What else? I mean, it was a process. We had to wire the cam timing, sensor, the solenoid. This is also like a custom setup. It wasn't really a plug and play, so we had to time the engine on the ECU. It has a 36-1 crank wheel on the crank pulley, but it runs really well. I like how the car turned out. I mean, after seeing it so many years, he's gonna be very happy. It's pretty quiet too. I like the exhaust, was really well done as well. It's all stainless steel, from the front to the back. I believe it's like a 3-inch. So let's take it for a spin.